Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are fixing one of the most annoying issues that our microphone not working on Windows. So let's walk through every method step by step so that we can get our mic working again. So let's just dive right in. First of all, we can check our microphone privacy settings. Press Windows plus I for that to access the device's settings and go to the section for privacy and security and select it. Once you go to privacy and security, you can scroll down, find the option for microphone and expand it up. And you need to give access for your microphone. Make sure this option is turned on for your microphone access. And from these options, also turn on this option for letting apps access your microphone. And you can even manually head over to the application that wants the microphone access. And you can give microphone access by toggling this option on right here. Another thing you can do is you can select the correct input device. So you can just go over and find your sound settings. You can look out for the speaker icon, right click on it, go to sound settings. And from here under input, you can just go over and make sure your correct microphone is selected. If not, you can select this option of add device and manually add up a device and talk into the mic and check if the input volume bar moves and see if it fixes the issue. Also within volume here, make sure this slide bar right here is up to 80 to 100 under this device properties right here. And you can check out the level and provide it up and boost it up if necessary. And also update or reinstall the microphone drivers. You can close this up, go to your device manager, hit Windows plus X, go to your device manager, hit enter, and within your device manager, go ahead and find your microphone. Go ahead and look out for your microphone options. And once you find audio inputs and outputs, you can expand it up. Look out for your microphone. Right click on it, select the option of update driver, and update your drivers to the latest version available. And that's it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can particularly follow up, and that should fix a microphone that's not working. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.